Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm all ready. We are going house hunting. I'm going to shift, so I have to go see a place. My mom has found a place उन्हीं के wing के पास एक 2 BHK है. Now I actually wanted a 1 BHK because 2 BHK will be a little big for me और थोड़ा out of budget भी हो जाएगा. But that place is nice and it is close to my parents, so thinking of getting it. थोड़ा negotiate करेंगे तो शायद I can manage. Let's figure that out. But आज पहले जाके वो place देखेंगे. So yes, come along with me. Hey guys, so I had to update you guys about the flat. I kind of forgot about it yesterday and then got busy. So the first flat you saw, it's a 2 BHK. It's a really good place. The lighting is good. It's perfect. The location is good. The wing is just next to my parents' place, which is also a good point because considering this is my first time living alone. I know for my age everyone stays abroad and lives alone all their lives, but because this is my first time, me and my family are a little bit apprehensive, so staying next to them definitely is a better idea for now. And the only thing is that is a 2 BHK as you saw, and I was looking for a 1 BHK because it's only just me, one person, and even though I'll work from home and everything, my stuff it will fit in 1 BHK because if it's just me, I know I have a lot of stuff, and because I work from home I need space to shoot and stuff. 1 BHK is also good enough. But yeah, this is so obviously very nice and a huge space, and the only thing is it is going over my budget. So yeah, that's the thing. We saw another flat, another 1 BHK after that, but there were people living there, so I did not shoot there. But that was it was not a good space. I mean, very dark and cluttered, and it didn't give very good vibes. It gave us very weird vibes and none of us liked it. And the third one which you saw, it is a 1 BHK. It is very spacious. The flat is very good and nice, but it is on the second, third floor, and right below are all slums as you saw. I'm not sure if you saw in one clip. I think you saw right below the window there are all slums, and that building is also around, the buildings around are also getting redeveloped and stuff, so the area is not very safe. So as I was saying, I just got a call. So my parents are a little worried about that because the area there is not very safe. There are just slums and all around and just downstairs, and there's not enough light as well. Yeah, I will have to see this flat only, and it's a 2 BHK, so it is a little over my budget. And of course the area is huge and everything, but budget is an issue, and I'm meeting the owner tomorrow. So let's see how it works out. Fingers crossed. Hopefully he reduces a bit, and hopefully I can stretch a bit and come a midway and finalize this, because there's literally no other place available around right now. So yeah, hopefully things work out. Now this flat was a similar 2 BHK, and just downstairs of my parents' building. The lighting and all was also very good, but because it was shut and closed and no one was living here, nothing, the bathrooms were very dirty and there was this very bad smell that was coming in the house. But still this was an option, but the owner never got back and he was kind of very rude, so this one didn't work out, even though I liked the light and flat and everything. But the first one we saw, that was the only option, and I think we will go with that. I have finally got the house, and it was the first house which I showed you, and I'll be shifting pretty soon, but I have to tackle all this mess. I have way too much stuff and I don't want so much clutter in the new house. Even though like I will be having a separate studio space, but I just don't want like clutter everywhere, which happens here. And you know, some days I just give up. I don't have the patience to go through like for right now. The past few months have been very difficult for me, so I haven't been able to do anything. And after a few months, usually after a few months, the situation is like this. I'll just show you in a bit. Please don't judge me. Oh yes, please don't judge me. I have a lot, and everything is like just everywhere, and it is way too messy. See, some of them are just like empty boxes I've kept like for giveaway and stuff, but some of the stuff is like just randomly everywhere. And yes, I need to sort and clean and discard everything which I like want to discard, and I have to do all of this in the next few days because I don't want to like shift all of this again there, because then it will be the exact same condition if I don't discard right now. So yes, bear with me. I'll show you some clips here and there. I won't be able to show you everything because this will take at least like 2, 3, 4, 5 few entire days to do everything, sort everything out. Because I won't be able to do everything at one go. There are a lot of other things happening in the life as well. Sorting all of this out pretty soon and discarding, donating, removing all the majority of the stuff. I really want to keep only the basic, because I know I'll be getting more, and I keep on getting more. I keep on doing giveaways as well. And even, you know, with giveaways also, it's a lot to manage, to courier, to coordinate, and it's a lot of things, and to do everything alone, it's not easy. It gets onto me. So I just want to like give away stuff, which I'll be doing. Like my friends, family, cousins, whoever wants it, I'll just give it away all to like my place, my mom's place. So yeah, that's the current situation. I am a little tensed because all of this, like even seeing all of this, looking at all of this makes me a little dizzy, but I have to do it. My mom will come in between to help me, but I'll have to sit and sort and see and check everything, so I'll have to do it. Hey guys, it is the next day, and yesterday night, my back started hurting, so today I had to take a lot of breaks in between, but I'll show you the progress so far. Wait, I know it still looks a lot messy, but I discarded like 2-3 boxes and bags yesterday. This is all the stuff I have to keep, but I'm not arranging it right now inside, because anyways everything will be packed in boxes by the movers and packers, so I'll arrange everything once I'm like shifted and moved. This is all the giveaway stuff, giveaway boxes. I have to sort that yet. These are just some empty boxes. This portion is remaining. So these 3 are the bags to give away to friends, family, and also for future giveaways and stuff. These 3 bags. And these 4 are empty boxes, which I'll pack right now. These are for the next 4 future giveaways. I'm going to pack everything and keep and click all the pictures and keep everything ready and mark month wise on the boxes, so that after shifting I'm prepared and there's no chaos, because it will take some time for me to settle everything down and organize everything. So I'm just pre-planning and sorting everything right now, because I don't want to like go crazy once I shift. It will be a little hectic, so how much ever I can sort and organize, I'm doing right now. So let me show you how it looks now. अभी भी बहुत कुछ नहीं हुआ है और मैंने कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं किया है, बिकॉज एनी वे एवरीथिंग विल बी शिफ्टेड, सो इट विल ट्रांसफर टू बॉक्सेस एनी वे. तो शिफ्ट मतलब ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एंड वो सब मैं वहाँ जाके करूँगी, बिकॉज डजंट मेक सेंस कि अभी ऑर्गेनाइज करूँ और वापस निकाल के यू नो शिफ्ट करे. तो आई जस्ट शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स. तो ये सारे जो है, दीज आर ऑल नेक्स्ट 4 months गिव अवे के बॉक्सेस. ये सारे फ्यूचर गिव अवेज के हैं. And there's this one more giveaway bag. This is all the stuff we have to keep. Like this will be packed in boxes. And काफ़ी कुछ अभी मैं discard कर रही हूँ. So these are all the foundations I've discarded. Makeup Forever, Clinique, MAC, Lakme, Givenchy. ये सब काफ़ी पुराने. Makeup Forever का blush है. MAC का cream color base है. I think Hush है. इन या शेल है. एंड दीज आर ऑल द आई शेडो पैलेट्स. ये काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, ये पुराने नहीं हुए, सो आई एम नॉट डिस्कार्डिंग दीज. ये मैं किसी को दे दूँगी, किसी फ्रेंड या फैमिली को दे दूँगी, किसी को जिसको चाहिए. दीज आर इन प्रिटी गुड कंडीशन राइट नाउ. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द ड्रॉअर लुक्स फाइनली. पहले ये बंद नहीं हो रहा था, तो अभी काफ़ी ईजीली से बंद हो रहा है. प्लीज़ इग्नोर ऑल द मेस. वो कल आके मेरी हेल्प करेगी मुझे थोड़ा बहुत क्लीनिंग करने में. आई एम जस्ट डिस्कार्डिंग स्टफ राइट नाउ. So this is the situation now. This is just basic stuff, hair tools, frames, awards, paintings and stuff, basic decor stuff. These are my watch and sunglasses cases. These two are like, has all the makeup on. This is everything I have to like keep and organize. This will happen later on. And just the skincare and IKEA shelf, and even this has some basic shampoo stuff and some decoration items and stuff. And this particular wardrobe has all of my bags. This is all the stuff I've kept, and most of the rest of the things I have given away and all of that. Knickknacks, some basic corner stuff, wipes and hair care products, and some iron and stuff. And this is empty, just pads and basic stuff, but again more flower decor stuff, because like you know, when we shoot and click products and all, we need a lot of those things. So yeah, just some basic stuff. So only kept that much. I've discarded a lot. I think I've discarded more than 50%, or at least 50% if I'm being honest. So yes, अभी भी काफ़ी कुछ काम पड़ा है, थोड़ा करके होगा. Let's see. But जितना भी हुआ है in one day, like 1.5 days, it's all very good. कल भी मैं रात को 1:30 बजे तक कर रही थी. एंड फर्स्ट डे के बाद ही मेरा बैक बहुत ज़्यादा पेन कर रहा था, तो आई वॉज टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रेक्स येस्टरडे. सो अभी तो बहुत काम बाकी है, बट शिफ्टिंग इज़ अ नाइटमेयर. दैट्स व्हाई आई ड्रेड शिफ्टिंग. Oh yes, this is the situation as far as the middle room is concerned. Rest of the things are just like basic. There's one wardrobe for clothes. One is my shoe cabinet, which you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen. I do have a lot of shoes and clothes. And clothes also I need to discard. I think I'm not here 2-3 days, so I think on Wednesday I'll sit and discard all the clothes. I want to discard a lot of clothes because there's no space now, and the wardrobe is already full, and most of the clothes are like out on the chairs, I think, which is the situation with a lot of us. So yeah, that's the thing. And kitchen is all the basic stuff, but mostly I will be shifting, but I mostly will be giving away the kitchen stuff to my mom, because I won't be cooking as much. They just live in the next door, so I'll just be doing my basic chai, nashta, and having my lunch and dinner there mostly. So I won't be keeping a lot for my kitchen. And yes, that's about it. That's all the craziness for now. And in the next vlog, I'll show you all the shifting and settling stories and vlogs. So yes, stay tuned for that. And yes, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.